Hi, I'm Jonathan Karch with Three Rivers Archery. Today we have an unboxing video with the brand new Bear Archery limited edition Takedown. There's only 250 of these being made, and this is the first one that we've been able to get in. It's number 61 out of 250. Now, for those that don't know, Bear Archery is making the B riser and number 1 limbs, which makes a 60-inch bow. And really, let's just dive right into it. First thing to notice when you look at it here, a very nice, high quality, made in the US case. This is made by Neat Archery for Bear, and they are absolutely fabulous all by themselves. Just really good attention to detail, good quality leather, things you'd expect out of Neat. Really glad that that partnership started there. Nice patch. On the back here, we have for putting your ID card, business card, you do a slide on the side. That way, can identify yours if if the numbering on in the front, you and your buddies get together and you put your cases down. Good quality zipper. Open it up here, and you really see just absolutely awesome styling here. Good choices by Bear here. Nice little pocket for style, throw extra strings, things like that. Stamped, made in the USA logo on here, always good, always nice. Like I said, great colors. I believe there'll be different patterns per case, just a little unique twist to it when Neat's making them. First thing you notice here, certificate of authenticity. We're not going to pull that one out, just leave it in there, but just shows that, hey, this is a limited edition quality item you're getting here. So we have that. String, it does take a D97 string, so you get to use high performance string with it, do what you like. Nice standard one to have it for those who are going to be shooting it. And then we have the packaging here. We have the riser, and these are separate of themselves. There's ties here. That ties it down in place. Like I said, just a really nice quality case for a really nice bow. Oh man, yeah, just absolutely nice. This is the first I'm seeing of this bow also. I feel like I should be wearing gloves. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Nice gloss finish to it. They got everything in place. Bear medallion. Check. Nice clean, no holes in it otherwise, like quiver bushings or anything like that. Everything is kept very similar to the standard Takedown, just a little extra nice features to it. Madagascar ebony wood being used. We have 3 pieces of it here in the riser. And like I said, that semi-gloss finish, if not just gloss finish, caramel glass, baby, looks good. And then on the limbs here, like I said, also tie down straps to keep them in place. A little, just really what Bear was aiming for here is this is a legacy piece. This is something that will be in your family, you hand down. Just a really gorgeous bow. And for those that own standard Takedowns, you know how they shoot. Okay, so this is attached together, sewn together. We're not going to put the bow together just because that's for whoever wants to buy this. That's their pleasure, but just kind of showing it off here. Just absolutely gorgeous. These have been a long time in the making. Now Bear is looking to make 4 limited edition bows. The nice thing of when you buy one, whether it's pre-order or whatnot, getting on this first one here. So this is number 61 of 250. When the next 3 bows come out, you will get a call, email, either from us or from Bear Archery that says, hey, you had number 61 of the first one. Do you want number 61 of the next one? And the one after that, and the one after that. So you can have 4 matching bows of the matching serial number. In all of the same excellent quality that you're seeing here. Beautiful penmanship. All the decals are in great shape. Glass looks good. Like I said, it comes with a fast flight string or a high performance string, D97. So you can put high performance strings on it as you like. Goes together, same style that it would with a Takedown. Limb slides right in there. That locks in place. And string her up like you normally would and shoot it. This is the Bear Archery limited edition Takedown bow. B riser, number 1 limbs, makes a 60-inch bow overall. Absolutely enjoy it, absolutely love it. If you can get one for yourself, go ahead and do it. This one's actually for sale, so if you're looking for it, this one's a right-hand 45 pounder at 28 inches. It'll be available. We'll have a link so you can find it. And then also, if you like the video, like the unboxing idea that we're doing here, give us a like, Put a comment of other items you'd like to see us unbox, or tips or suggestions for us. And if you really enjoyed the video, share it with your friends, whether on social media or just email it to others. We're always looking for feedback, so leave it below. I'm Jonathan Karch with Three Rivers Archery.